A hot-dip galvanizing plant is often a bottleneck in the production line. If there is a standstill here, the rolling mill is at a standstill. And what's even worse, so are our customers' production lines. No galvanized sheet steel, no cars. This plant has been running since 1962, so it's older than me. Much older. The factory of the future will be digital. So when we choose a control system today, we are setting the course for the future. People say, never change a running system. That's only partly true, of course. The critical point is, how can you keep a running system if you want to modernize and be prepared for the future? We definitely wanted a SCADA system with virtualization, thus enabling us to integrate the new SCADA system into our group-wide IT infrastructure. That would make us independent of modernization cycles. In other words, fit for the future.
As system integrators, we realized immediately that the Simatic WinCC V7 SCADA system was the ideal solution. It's scalable and permits future functional expansions and the connection of additional communication partners. As WinCC specialists, we know exactly how to use virtualization so that we can make the most of its potential.
The display on the monitors is based on the familiar look and feel. That meant less training was necessary. And there are several improvements. For example, we can now see exactly where we have a transition between two strips within the line. And thanks to the tightly integrated animations, you can follow the process intuitively.
Having integrated the local intranet via Web Navigator, the system can be accessed from any location, for maintenance purposes, for example, taking the latest security guidelines into consideration, of course.
Everything we do here is given very careful consideration. We have now created a control system, a nerve center, which takes a close look at all components from above. It stores the data centrally so that we can evaluate it and then decide which components are worth modernizing from an investment point of view.
With the central long-term archiving system Simatic Process Historian and the direct link to the ERP system of the customer thyssenkrupp, the plant data is available throughout the entire company.
The production and quality data for every coil is available centrally. We are already benefiting from detailed long-term analysis, which has led to plant-wide optimizations and higher productivity. The modernization project really has improved performance and made our processes more reliable. The plant is now ready to enter the age of the digital factory.
Being WinCC specialists gives us a genuine competitive advantage. WinCC and the other Siemens solutions put us in a position to process such large-scale projects with ease. And the most important thing is, we end up with a satisfied customer.
Projects such as this require very complex project management and are always a challenge. Working with Focus was a great experience. The project was realized without a hitch, and the result mirrors our corporate philosophy perfectly. Engineering tomorrow together.